Most digital workspaces eventually become graveyards. We dump files into messy folders, or we rely on passive AI chat interfaces that forget our conversations the moment the window closes. What we actually need is a structured, living knowledge graph where every piece of information connects to what we already know. The Claude Obsidian repository operates as an autonomous librarian on your local machine. When you drop in source materials, the system extracts verifiable claims and files them into an interlinked plain text vault that remains entirely under your control. To set this up, you need 3 tools: Python 3.11, a Bash terminal, and Obsidian. On Windows, native environments lack specific file locking mechanisms, intentionally blocking vault mutating rights. To run the full system, you must operate within the Windows subsystem for Linux. By strictly enforcing these boundaries, the system ensures your personal data remains completely under your control and protected from file corruption. Before we start downloading, we have to establish a physical division on your hard drive. This architecture requires strict separation between the software execution environment, which runs the code, and the user vault environment, which holds your private data. First, open your terminal and clone the Claude Obsidian repository into a dedicated folder on your system. This directory will serve purely as the engine. Next, we need to initialize the actual knowledge base. You will trigger the setup script and point it to a completely different, empty folder somewhere else on your drive. Instead of immediately writing files, the initialization command is designed to fail closed. It will output a detailed JSON inspection plan, showing you exactly what directory structures it intends to build before making any permanent changes. Isolating the engine from your personal vault guarantees that your knowledge base is protected from accidental overwrites whenever the core software is updated in the future. At the bottom of the JSON plan, the system generates a cryptographic signature. Extract the SHA-256 hash string, rerun the setup command, append that hash, and add the apply flag. This authorizes the software to physically construct the directories. If your terminal is ever closed prematurely during a write sequence, the system locks the vault to prevent corruption. You can safely unlock it using the built-in transaction recover protocol. With the file structure approved and built, navigate directly into your newly initialized vault directory inside the terminal. From here, launch the Claude code application, passing a flag that dynamically points it back to the isolated plugin directory where you cloned the engine earlier. You have now securely bridged your active AI agent with your local storage environment. The system is ready to begin organizing information. To prove the entire pathway is functioning, we will run a minimal validation test. Start by creating a standard text document on your computer and typing out a few paragraphs of factual claims. Take that file and manually drag it straight into the visible inbox directory sitting at the root of your new vault. Switch back to your active Claude terminal session and type the explicit command /Claude-Obsidian:/wiki:/ingest. The agent begins its autonomous workflow. It reads the document, extracts falsifiable entities, and drafts cross-referenced markdown pages. It batches these pages into a single transaction bundle, writing everything at once, preventing vault fragmentation. This ingestion workflow assigns the AI the role of a disciplined repository manager, prioritizing the physical structure and data provenance of your knowledge base. Checking the post-ingestion state, you will notice the staging inbox directory is now completely empty. If you open the wiki folder, you will find it populated with cleanly formatted markdown pages, alongside a master index that the agent updated autonomously. This split screen shows the synthesized markdown page, but inside the hidden raw archive, we find the exact byte data of your original file. The architecture intentionally locks away that original input as immutable evidence, preserving a permanent record of the source material. With the pipeline verified, you can ingest reference materials or run a wiki query to ask questions based exclusively on the evidence securely stored in your vault. And as your knowledge base scales up into the thousands of notes, you can run the optional Dragon Scale extension to activate stable page addressing and semantic deduplication. You are no longer reliant on cloud infrastructure. You now control a self-organizing digital brain that compounds in value with every document you add, retaining absolute offline sovereignty.